This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying account parity. Make sure the exact Google account is signed into Gmail on your phone and in Chrome or another browser on your laptop. Once done, enable Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data connection and confirm apps and browser are updated. Open Gmail on your phone and check settings accounts to verify sync is active. This step prevents mismatched labels or missing messages later. Now, keep both devices nearby, and on your phone, go to Gmail settings, tap the account and toggle Sync Gmail on. This pushes mail and label changes to Google's servers. On the laptop, sign into Mail. Google.com and confirm you're in the same account, then leave the browser open while syncing. Make sure label sync settings include primary, sent, and draft so messages appear everywhere. Once those are aligned, send a test message from one device and watch it appear on the other. This validates permissions and server-side syncing. Finish by performing a practical check. Send a test email from your phone to yourself and confirm it shows up in the laptop's inbox, and vice versa. If it doesn't appear, force a sync, pull to refresh in the Gmail app, and reload the browser tab on your laptop. Make sure account storage isn't full and that Gmail has account and background data permissions. If problems persist, clear app cache or sign out and back in. This often resolves token or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.